I will teach you a phonics session. Okay, my dear kids, are you ready? Yes. Now you will take your worksheet. Okay, I will give you 5 seconds time. Shall I start counting? Yeah. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. I hope you and all opened your worksheet. Yes. This is yesterday's class, my dear kids. Worksheet 10. Did you complete this worksheet in your home? Yeah. Now you will open your worksheet number 11. Question number 2. I will give you 5 seconds time. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. Yes. See this, my dear kids. This is the question number 2, worksheet number 11. See this. Circle the pictures with the same beginning sounds. Once again, circle the pictures with the same beginning sound. That means, see the first question. You can see the 4 pictures in this first question, right? So from these pictures, which has the same beginning sound? Yeah. Shall we go? Great. Yeah. What is the beginning sound of this picture? Yeah. J. Next. Wa. R. Next. J. Right? So, from this question, which you have to circle this, which has the same beginning sound? Yeah. This one. Jacket and jam. So, you have to circle these 2 pictures. Right? Yeah. See this. Shall we move to the next one? Yeah. What is the beginning sound of this picture? Next one. Hat. What is the beginning sound? Ha. Next. Hand. What is the beginning sound? Ha. Next. Quill. Quack. So, from this question, which has the same beginning sound? Can you guess that answer? Yeah, great. Which has hat and hand. So you have to circle these 2 pictures. Yeah, shall we move to the next one? Great. Yeah, see this. What is the beginning sound of this picture? B. Next, G. Next, L. Next picture, G. So, can you guess that? Which has the same beginning sound? Yeah, great, my dear children. Grapes and goat. These 2 pictures have a same beginning sound. So, you have to circle these 2 pictures. See this. Shall we move to the next one? Yeah. See this. Octopus. Injection. E. Next, watch. Wa. So, you have to say the answer which has same beginning sound. Yeah, I am also thinking which has the same beginning sound. Yes, I guess it. E. Injection and then India. So, you have to circle these 2 pictures. Yeah, shall we move to the next one? Yeah. Yeah, see this. See the first picture. What is the beginning sound? F. Next one, fire. F. Next, unlock. A. Tomato. T. So, you have to say the answer. Which has the same beginning sound from this? Yeah, great. Fan. F. Then fire. F. So, you have to circle this 2. Yeah. See this, my dear kids. This is the answer for this worksheet. Question number 2. Circle the pictures with the same beginning sounds. So, from this worksheet, you have to complete in your home. Okay? Do you understand from this worksheet, my dear kids? Yes. Yeah, great, my dear children. Next, shall we do one drawing activity? Look at the board, my dear kids. What letter is this? D. What is the sound of this letter? Do you know that? Yes. D. 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 So, can you say some beginning sound from this letter? Can you say that? Yeah. Drum, dog, dice, right? So, now you will open your notebook. Which one? You will open your notebook. You have to draw some pictures from this related letter sound. Which letter sound? D. You have to say some examples, right? What is that? Drum, dog, dice, etc. Right? So you have to draw that pictures in your notebook. See this. See the example pictures in your SR book having, right? You also think and draw, my dear kids. Do you have any doubt? Means this like you have to draw in your notebook, okay? Yeah. After you have to complete your drawing means see this. See this, my dear kids. What is the beginning sound of this letter? A. A. You have to say some examples, words or pictures from this. Yeah. A. Egg. A. Elephant. Right? So you have to draw this related pictures. Okay? If you have a doubt means you will open your SR book. Related pictures they are having. Right? Yeah. Great, my dear children. Next I will teach you a next session. Whole words. What is that? Whole words. Yes. We will recap the whole words. Are you ready, my dear kids? Yes. How will you read this? Yeah. Left to right. Keep your fingers left to right. Right? You know that already this whole word. Have you say? Yeah. Here. Here. Can you repeat along with me? Here. Here. Comes, 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 comes. Brings, brings. Can you repeat after me? Brings, brings. Makes, makes, makes. Can you repeat after me? Makes. Gives, gives, gives. Can you repeat after me? Gives. There. There. Can you repeat after me? There. At. At. Can you repeat after me? At. At. Sit. Sit. Can you repeat after me? Sit. So. So. Can you repeat after me? So. So. Much. Much. Can you repeat after me? Much. Much. Yeah, great, my dear children. Do you remember this whole words? Yes. Now shall we do one worksheet activity? Are you ready? Yes. Now we will open your worksheet. Worksheet number 12. Question number 2. I will give you 5 seconds time. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. I hope you and all opened your worksheet. Worksheet number 12. See this, my dear kids. You will read some sentences, okay? See this. Read and circle the whole words in the sentences below. Once again. Read and circle the whole words in the sentences below. We read some whole words, right? So you have to read which whole word is here. You have to circle this. Shall I read this? You also read along with me, okay? Are you ready? See the first question. Raj comes at 9 a.m. Once again. Raj comes at 9 a.m. From this sentence, any whole word here? Yes. What is that? Comes at. So you have to take your rule pencil. You have to circle this too. Right? Yes. Shall we move to the next one? Yeah. Here he is. Here he is. Any whole word is here? Yes. Here. Which one? here. So you have to circle this whole word. Yeah, great, my dear kids. Next one. She makes a cake for my sister. She makes a cake for my sister. Here having any whole word? Can you guess it, my dear kids? Yeah, great. Makes. See this? Makes, right? Next. Manju gives me a cat. Manju gives me a cat. Which whole word is here? Yes, gives. So you have to circle this whole word. See this? Gives. Next. Lata brings roses for Sita. Lata brings roses for Sita. Which whole word is here? Can you identify? Yes, brings. So you have to circle this. Okay? See this, my dear kids. Next, we buy a table for our house. We buy a table for our house. Which whole word is here? Yes, buy. So you have to circle this. Buy. Next, we sit and eat fruits. We sit and eat fruits. Which whole word, my dear kids? Yeah, great. Sit. So you have to circle this. Sit. Next, walk here. Walk here. Which whole word is here? Yeah, here. You have to circle this. See this? Here. Which one? Here. So, this whole word I will give you 1 minute. See this? You have to complete this whole word in your home, my dear kids. Great. Next, I will teach you a reading and listening comprehension. Okay? Listen carefully, my dear kids. Yeah, see this? What is this symbol? Can you guess this? Yeah, here having some fruits and vegetables. Do you know that? Yes. So, my dear kids, if we want to put up all these things kept here into a similar group, that means we need to divide these things separate. That means fruits taniya, vegetables taniya, we have to collect it, okay? See this? Now we have to do like this. First, fruits means keep it there. Then vegetable means keep it here, okay? This is a fruit or vegetable. What is this? Orange. Then this is pomegranate. So we keep it here, okay? Next, see this? This is a carrot, lady's finger, then potato, right? See this? Yeah. So we have to divide in a similar group, right? This is a fruit, then vegetable. Lady's finger, carrot and potato. They are having pomegranate and orange, right? Yes. So, grouping similar items together is called sorting, right? See this? Yes. We sorted the things into two categories. What are they? Fruits and vegetables. Do you understand? Mix irunchu, we have to sort that items. Do you clear this? Are you clear, my dear kids? Yes. See this? Fruits and vegetables. Yes. Are you clear, my dear kids? This is we need to divide this, right? Similar items. This is called sorting. Sorting means vagaipadutharadhu. They are having mixing some things. Okay, நிறைய things இருந்துச்சு அப்படினா நம்ம group-ஆ divide பண்ணிரோம். For the example, fruits and vegetables we are having, we have to divide this, right? Yeah, sort these things. Do you understand? Yes. Yes, great, my dear children. Today we will sort the words we have learned into different categories. Now I will show you some example for that. Are you ready? Yes. See the short pictures by writing their names in the correct column. See this. First of all we will read this. Okay. What is this? Goat, bear, papaya, ox, baggery, bear, sharp, orange. So see this here having some tabular column. What is that first one? Animals. What is that? Animals. Then fruits, places. So we will sort these things from this categories. Okay. Are you ready? Yeah. See the first picture. Goat. Goat is a which one? Animal of fruits of places of which one, my dear kids? Yeah, animal. So we have to write it here. Next, bear. What is that? This is a fruit or animal. Do you know that? Yes. Fruits. We have to write it here. Next, papaya. Papaya is a animal or fruit or places. Yeah, papaya is a fruit. So you have to write it here. Next, ox. Ox is an animal. We will write here, right? Next, baggery. Baggery is a place. So you have to write it here. Beer. You have to think and say, yes, this is an animal. Next, shop. Shop is a place. So we have to write it here. Next, orange. Orange is a fruit. So you have to write it here. So see this? Yeah, do you know that, my dear kids? Are you clear from this? Yes. Now shall we do one worksheet, my dear kids? Yes. Now you will open your worksheet. Worksheet number 13, question number 1. I will give you 5 seconds time. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. Yeah, I hope you all opened your worksheet. See this is a worksheet number 13. See the short things by writing their names in the correct column. Short means we have to write similar groups, right? See this. Animals, fruits, places. We saw the CRL, right? So shall we write short the pictures? Are you ready? Yes. Goat. Goat is a which one? Animal. So you have to write down the animals box. After that, this is a fruit. You have to write it down. Fruits column. Right? Next, baggery. Baggery is a place. So you have to write it the places column. Right? Next, beer. Beer is a which one? Animal. So you have to write it animals column. Next, papaya is a fruit. So you have to write it down fruits column. Next, shop. Shop is a place. You have to write it down in place column. Ox, animal. You have to write it down. Animals, right? Orange is a fruit. You have to write it down, my dear kids. Yeah. See this, my dear kids. I will give you 1 minute time. See this. Animals, goat, bear, ox. After that, fruits, beer, papaya, orange. Next, places, baggery and shop. So you have to write it this like, you have to complete your worksheet number 13 from your home. Right? You have to pass this, you will write. Okay? Yes. Next, we will recap the polite words. Okay? Now you will open your SR book, SR 11. Okay? Are you ready? Yeah, I will give you 5 seconds time. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. I hope you all all opened your SR book. See this, greetings. Polite words. What is that? Polite words. Greetings. We use greetings to wish people. See this? Already from previous classes we learned this, right? Did you use these words, my dear kids? Hello. Hello. Good morning. Good morning. Goodbye. Goodbye. Good night. Good night. Right? Yeah. When you are meeting someone in the morning, what will you say them? What do you say, my dear kids? When will you meet this morning, what do you have to say? Yes. Good morning. What do you have to say? Good morning. Right? Then, when you want to ask friend to give your notebook, which magic word you have to say? See this? Please. Please. Right? Yeah. First of all, we have to recall this magic words. What is that? Magic words. We use magic words to be polite with people. Polite with people. These words help us have better relationship with people. See this? Please. Please. Can you repeat along with me? Please. Sorry. What is that? Sorry. Thank you. Thank you. What is that word? Thank you. Welcome. Welcome. Right? Now again ask the question. When you want to ask your friend to give you his notebook, which magic word you have to use, my dear kids? You want your friend's book. Which magic word you have to use that? Yes. Please. Please give me a book. Please. What do you have to use? Please. Right? Yes. When you come late to school, which magic word you will use? If you come to your school late means which magic word you have to use to your ma'am? Yes. Sorry. What? Sorry. What do you have to use? Sorry. Yes. What will you say to your parents before going to bed? If you are going to bed, what do you have to say? Your mom and dad? Good night. What do you have to say? Good night. Yes. So my dear kids, from your home you have to use this greetings and then magic words. Just you have to practice these words. Okay, my dear kids? Yes. Great, my dear children. Next, I will teach you a grammar session. What I will teach? Grammar session. What are the naming words? Yeah, great. Naming words are names of a person, place, animals and things. Give some examples, my dear kids. Yeah, great. Book, school, Ronnie, dog, etc. Right? Yeah, great, my dear kids. Now, you will open your worksheet number 14, question number 1. I will give you 5 seconds time. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. I hope you all opened your worksheet. Yes. See this. This is the worksheet number 14, question number 1. Naming words. Circle the pictures of naming words. See this. You have to say that which is the naming word, right? Yeah. Ant, net, quilt. Which is the naming word here? Yeah, this 3 also naming words. You have to circle these 3 pictures, right? This is the animals, right? This is the things. After that, next one, play. Is a naming word? No. King? Yeah. this is a person. So this is a naming word. Chauffeur? Yeah, this is also naming word. Next, kite. Kite is a naming word? Yeah. Sleep? No, this is not a naming word. Drum? No. Happy? No. Study? This is a naming word? No. Drum? Yes, this is a naming word. So you have to circle this. See this? So you will circle the pictures naming words, right? See this? Ant, net, quilt, king, sofa, kite, drum. Right? So you have to circle this. So you have to complete this in your home, my dear kids. If you want to see this, you have to pause this video, okay? After you completing the question number 1, shall we do the question number 2? Are you ready? Yes. See this? I will read aloud the sentences, okay? You will point your pencil and read along with me, okay? If you come across a naming word, you will circle that word, okay? Keep your pencil this like my dear kids. I will read a sentence. You also read along with me, okay? If naming word here having means you have to circle this, okay? See the question? Read the sentences and underline the naming words. Are you ready? Yeah. The sofa is big. The sofa is big. Here having any naming word? Yes, sofa. You have to circle this. Next. Ram lives in London. Here having any naming word? Yes, Ram and London. So you have to circle this. Next. My mother likes the blue. My mother likes the color blue. Here having any naming words? Yes, mother, color and blue. Next, I like to eat mangoes. Which naming word is here? Mango. See this? So you have to circle your rule pencil from this worksheet. You have to complete in your home, my dear kids. See this? If you want to see the answer means you have to pause this video. You will complete this. Yeah, my dear kids. I hope you and all complete this worksheet number 14, question number 1 and 2. Yes. Great, my dear children. Next, I will teach you a writing and speaking expression session. Okay. From this session, we will do one drawing activity. Okay. Yeah. We have many different things with us. Right? You are also having many different things. For example, in your bag having many different things. Right? Yes. I have to say some examples. I have a purse, a bottle, pen, etc. Right? All these things I have bought from the market. Where did I buy? Market. Right? Today's our drawing topic is things which you like to buy. What is the topic? What is the drawing topic, my dear kids? Things which you like to buy. Okay? So, shall we draw that? Are you ready? Yes. See this, my dear kids. For the example, I have rule pencil, book, eraser. Right? I buy market these things. Right? Yes. After completing my drawing, I labeled my drawing, right? See this? Label means give a name to something. Give a name these pictures, right? Yeah, great. Are you clear, my dear thing? From this, are you clear, my dear kids? Yes. Now you will open your worksheet number 15, question number 1. I will give you 5 seconds time. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. See this? Draw some things you like to buy. Label your drawing. So from this you have to draw and label your drawings. Okay my dear kids, what things do you like? You have to draw here. After that label your drawing. Do you understand? Yes. From this worksheet you have to complete in your home. Then we will discuss tomorrow's class from this worksheet. Okay? Yeah. Great my dear children. Shall we revise today's class what we learned today in phonics part? We learned the same beginning sound. We did worksheet also, right? So you have to complete that worksheet in your home. After that whole words, we recap the whole words, right? Yes, do you remember that? Yeah. What are that? Here, comes, brings, makes, gives, at, that, by, sit, so much. After that, we finish one worksheet, right? Yes. Then reading and listening comprehension, we learned the sorting, right? Grouping similar items together is called sorting. We sorted the things into 2 categories. What are that? Fruits and vegetables. Do you know that? Are you clear, my dear kids? Yes. After that, we did one worksheet for that related sorting. Next, grammar. We recap the naming words, right? Yes. Then reading and writing and speaking expression what we did. You will complete your worksheet. Draw and label your drawings. Okay? Yeah. Now I will say a homework. Okay? You will think of an object that started with letter sound F. Draw it at home. Okay? If you have to say some examples. Yeah, great. Fan, fire, right? So you have to draw that in your things in your notebook. Okay, my dear kids. After that, practice using the greetings and polite expressions at your home. What are that? Please, sorry, thank you. You have to use these words in your home. Yeah, great, my dear kids. Thank you. Bye. Happy learning.